transfer based tagging. Basically, it allows you for the linguistic language in the readable form, and transfer one state to the another state by using the transformation rule. So transformation rule के लिए आपका क्या है कि what previously explained the taggers, that is rule based and also stochastic जो अभी हमने ऊपर देखा है. तो ये ट्रांसफर है, इसमें आपका क्या है, starting with the solution, that what it means, that how it works, TBL, that transfer based learning. So the working is basically concept of transfer based tagger, जिसमें आपका stochastic और that is your rule based आपको use होंगे, and we need to understand the working of that. So how we can start this rule TBL. So first start with the solution. That what will we? So TBL usually starts from some solutions to the problem, and works in a cycle. Okay. Yes, it will start. First, we have to start that we have to put this particular things, this particular tags, and something, and then most beneficial transfer chosen. मतलब किसे फिर हमें transfer करना है in cycle. As it is saying that yes, we have to start with a solution and we have to work with a cycle. So in each cycle, TBL will choose the most beneficial transformation. कि मुझे किसे transform करना है, and then apply to the problem. So whatever the problem we have, so accordingly we use. So transfer choose for the last step till we we sort out the problem or not. We apply to that. So algorithm will stop when the selected transformation in the second step, which is the beneficial language, and will not added either more values, or that there is no more transformation to be selected.